The B-Mets outlasted the New Britain Rockcats Monday night 4-1. It was a pitcher's duel early on, with New Britain's Taylor Rogers striking out 6 over 6 innings, and Binghamton's Rainey Lara only allowing 1 walk and 1 run over 7 2/3 innings. The B-Mets scratched out a run in the 4th on a Dustin Lawley single to take a 1-0 lead, but New Britain would tie it up in the 6th on a sacrifice fly. Binghamton squandered a couple chances to take the lead, including a bases-loaded opportunity in the 6th and leaving a man on 3rd in the 7th, before finally breaking through in the 8th.
1-0 to Lawley. Swinging a high fly ball into left field. Hansen goes back. It's over his head, and it one-hops the wall. Boyd around 3rd. He scores. Rivera to 3rd. He'll stay put there. And Dustin Lawley cruises into 2nd with an RBI double. The B-Mets take the lead. It's 2-1.
B-Mets padded their lead with an RBI sacrifice fly from Wilfredo Tovar and an RBI infield single from Kyle Johnson. Cody Satterwhite slammed the door in the 9th for his 15th save. Binghamton and New Britain are back in action tomorrow night at NYSEG Stadium in a doubleheader starting at 5:30. Be sure to check out the highlights from this game and every B-Mets game at bmets.com.